Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see about the entrepreneurship. This is the fifth module in construction management and entrepreneurship. So coming to the introduction about entrepreneurship. So in our country, small enterprises play an important role in Indian economy. So there is a rapid growth in the service sector economy due to development of small enterprises, particularly in the area of trade, transport, construction, and providing necessary support to operation of an organization. So one of the main reason for their rapid growth is that they have been left entirely to the private entrepreneur, which are comparatively free from the government interference. And the reason behind the success of small enterprises are interest, self-control, self-confidence, sense of urgency and motivations of the entrepreneurs are the some key point which make them successful enterprises. Then coming to the entrepreneurship definition, it is a profession in which entrepreneurs create and grow enterprises by their own ideas, resource, knowledge, skills and experience. Means if you are having any ideas to start your business, so that idea will be practically executed with our resource, knowledge and skills. If we have any experience, along these 3 or 4 points, whatever the idea we have, that idea we are execute practically. So that complete chain from idea to execution of work, that chain we are going to call it as a entrepreneurship. Then coming to the entrepreneur who will start the business. Okay, so coming to the entrepreneur, an entrepreneur is a person who is responsible for setting up a business. Okay, so if I want to start a small scale business, that is if my business is suppose I am starting selling of some clothes or anything, so that will be my business. So here I will be the entrepreneur for that particular business. Okay, so person who will responsible setting up a business, or person who organizes and manages a business undertaking and assume a risk for the sake of profit, and he should ready to take the risk also. Okay, that person we are going to call it as entrepreneur. Then coming to the characteristic of an entrepreneur, so what all are the character he should have if he need to start a business, any business. Okay, so first one is the person who develops his own enterprises. Okay, so first character of the entrepreneur should be the person should develop his own enterprises, whatever business it may be. So he should have the capability to develop its own business. Okay, then moderate risk taker, work under uncertainty for achieving the goal. Moderate, if you are starting any business, there must be any kind of risk. Okay, so we have to be ready to take the risk, and we have to ready to overcome that risk and to get the success from that risk. Okay, next one, entrepreneur is innovative. You should innovate, you should give the new ideas to his business. Okay, he should not stick with the one single ideas or single business. Then reflects strong urge to be independent. It should be independent and consistently it tries to something better. Okay, so always it tries. If today I am doing this work, this will be giving the better result, then definitely I will not stick tomorrow with this result only, I will try to another one. Okay, so like that he will always try to something better. Then dissatisfied with the routine activities. Same activity is not, he should not do, he has to do new activities in every day. Okay, then exhibits sense of leadership. He should have the leadership quality is very important in any kind of business. Okay, and take a personal responsibility also, and it should orient it towards the future and convert a situation into opportunity. Whatever it may be situation, it will be bad or good. Whatever situation is there in his business, he has to consider it as an opportunity. Okay. And next one, coming to the functions of an entrepreneur. So characteristic we have seen. So here we are going to seeing the functions of an entrepreneur. So first functions will be the anticipating market opportunities. So here an entrepreneur can perceive market trends, analyze the available information and understand the emerging opportunities in that particular market. Okay, so which kind of trend is going on in the market, what all the information I have to get from the market to run my business. Okay, all those things you have to collect from the market, and all those things you have to implement in his business. Okay, these opportunities exist in the form of need, deficiencies or social problems, whatever it may be. Next one will be the generating business ideas. An entrepreneur conceive a valuable and practical business idea, and this idea must be related to a business problem in the form of an unfulfilled need or a social demand that is not yet identified. Okay, and next one is the converting ideas into reality. It is the most important, converting ideas into reality. Okay, so whatever the idea he has, he need to convert those ideas into reality, or he need to execute those work. Okay, entrepreneurs should acquire necessary skills to execute the ideas into practical way. And arranging resources. Okay, so in the first module only we people have gone through the resource management, I think in the second module. Okay, so resource management is a very important. An entrepreneur should have the proper plan of arranging resource. So resource means like manpower, machines, money, material and technology for smooth execution of the work. Next one, supply of capitals. Capitals is nothing but in terms of a fund or amount. Okay, a major portion of initial capital of a new enterprises is comprised of entrepreneur's own fund. If I need to start my own business, then I have to invest myself. Okay, initially only we have to invest our own business by using our own funds. Okay, then establishment of enterprises. So mobilizes various resources and invest in purchasing the fixed assets. Entrepreneur also seeks government permission and clearance from a various agencies. If you are starting any business which are related to environment, then we need to take permission from the concerned authority. Okay, to start the business. So these all are the some functions of entrepreneur.